Fellow travelers, friends, welcome to the Dialogues Within. These are dialogues with myself and conversations with my friends. Most important of all, these are honest dialogues, steeped in truth. Friends, fellow travelers, this Sunday forenoon is a beautiful day. I'm sitting in my lawn here, enjoying my readings. It is said there's a Japanese term, Koharu Biyuri, which basically means a summer like day in winters, I guess, or a late autumn day in winters. Today is a day like that. Beautiful sunny day. And यहाँ बैठे बैठे आई वॉज रीडिंग और फिर मुझे ख्याल आया कि ये जो वर्ड होता है ना, कन्वर्सेशंस होते हैं, दे आर मेंट टू एक्सप्रेस द इनर वर्ल्ड ऑफ अ पर्सन. लेकिन कई बार ऐसा होता है कि जो वर्ड्स हैं जब निकलते हैं ज़ुबान से डिस्टॉर्ट हो जाते हैं. हम बोलना कुछ चाहते हैं, मुंह से कुछ और निकलता है और दूसरे को कुछ और ही समझ आता है. तो there is always a gulf between, that what the inner feeling is and that which is expressed. और ये जो स्पेस है ना, इस स्पेस में बुक्स का बहुत महत्व है. Books are like friends, sitting quietly. They are not talking to you. You choose your own time to talk to them. Your own mood, you open, you read. You listen to what the book has to say to you, or the author who is behind the book. In fact, मैं जब अपनी पुस्तक लॉटी लिख रहा था, which has recently been published, both in Hindi and English. So it is about conversations with my father. तो जब मैं ये बुक लिख रहा था तो मैं ये सोच रहा था कि मैं इस बुक के द्वारा क्या कहना चाहता हूँ. If I have to say that in short, my attempt in the book is to make visible the invisible thread of loss and love through conversations which I had with my father. And these conversations in life are very important. Conversations से we can understand each other. Lottie as a book is for those who cherish the quiet, steeped in truth, emotion. It is about storytelling and about celebrating ordinary everyday in life. पर दोस्तों, मैं तो अपनी बुक लॉटी के बारे में बोलने लग पड़ा, लेकिन बात तो मैं कुछ और ही कर रहा था. I was trying that we are not able to understand each other. One way to understand each other is perhaps listening to each other. Let us try to listen to another person. Listen, not to react. Listen, not to reply. Listen, not even to respond. Listen, simply to listen. What do you say, my friends and fellow travelers? Won't it be a better world if we started listening more than speaking more to each other? Smiles and cheers to you. Peace and joy to you.